In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create an installation media to reinstall Windows 10 or 11. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you do need a USB flash drive, so go ahead and get that. And you're going to need at least 8 gigabytes of storage because that's the minimum required for Windows 11 installation files. If you don't already have one, you can easily get one from really any electronic store, or Amazon is a good option as well. But go ahead and get that USB drive, plug it into your computer, and then go ahead and start by opening up File Explorer. Find this PC on the left hand side and you should see your USB drive listed under devices and drives, so just keep that in mind. But once you go ahead and find it, go ahead and erase all files on that drive if there's anything on there. If there's anything important on it though, create a backup first, and you can do this just by copying these onto another folder on your computer. But once your files are backed up, right click on it and you're going to need to format it. So essentially go ahead and select format, and this is going to be in this option. Obviously I don't have that USB drive in there right here, but go ahead and select that and then confirm the format process. It's going to tell me I can't do it with a C drive, right? But it's going to look something like this for you. What you need to go ahead and do is just hit start down at the very bottom, and this is going to erase the USB drive and prepare it for any installation media. After it finishes, open up a web browser, and you could use Chrome for this, for example, or you could use Microsoft Edge. It really is up to you. I like to use Chrome though, but once you have this opened up, what you need to do is just search for Windows 11 installation media. Once you're on this, select the first option up at the very top, and then find this download now option right here. Select this, follow the on-screen instructions. I recommend keeping the recommended language as well, but it's going to ask you to choose a media, choose your USB flash drive, and then it'll download to your USB flash drive. It really is as simple as that. It may take a minute, just keep that in mind, but it really is super simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.